sister friends, and welcome to Born to Be Zesty. If you're new here, my name is Tori, and my YouTube channel is a celebration of self-care through fashion, beauty, and lifestyle, primarily for the fierce and fabulous over 40, but all are welcome to enjoy the zesty flavors. I also share my passions for food, fitness, and home decor. On this channel, I unapologetically pour into self so that I can be at my best to pour into others. If that sounds like your vibe, be sure to like, share, comment, and subscribe. So I'm a huge proponent of skincare, be it for your face or your body. Your skin is your body's largest organ. It protects you in so many different ways. And for that reason, in my opinion, your skin is also the first to show the most visible signs of wear and tear and aging. It's summer, it's hot, I'm spending more time outside, and I really want to make sure that I am ramping up my skin's moisture barrier, making sure it's very well hydrated. I'm also just striving for smooth, toned, radiant, glowing skin. So people were raving about this product all over my feed, and I decided to go ahead and give it a try. So I wanted to share it with you. So this is Besque Magic Luxury Body Oil. This can be used all over your body, but it's perfect for use on your bum, your tummy, your underarms, and your thighs. And it works to reduce the appearance of stretch marks and blemishes. So I've really been targeting the stretch marks on my hips and the back of my calves. Now I'm going to tell you, I've been using it for like the past 2 weeks, and as you can see, I've put a pretty good dent in this bottle because I've really been enjoying it. The moisture and hydration that it provides is absolutely next level. The glow is nothing short of radiant. So initially I was just concentrating the use on my tummy, my thighs, the stretch marks on my hips and my calves, but my skin felt so incredible that I just started using it all over. The entire body deserves that hydration, and smooth, toned, glowing skin from head to toe, you can absolutely sign me up for that. This product is made with incredible ingredients, and for those of you who have been following me for a while, you guys know that natural ingredients that are vegan and cruelty-free are extremely important to me. Besque checks all the boxes. So on that note, let's talk about the ingredients. It contains sweet almond oil, which smooths and deeply hydrates. Evening primrose firms and increases elasticity. Rosehip regenerates and plumps skin. And vitamin E protects the skin from sun exposure. Geranium to tighten and revitalize. And lavender, which calms inflammation whilst promoting healing. And last but not least, patchouli, which boosts skin's natural collagen production and smooths skin. Now, I like to use it straight out of the shower when my skin is still damp. So then it really works to lock in that moisture and hydration. This is a very rich body oil. It's giving body serum, and just look at the glow. My skin feels super soft and moisturized, and it really works to go in and heal your skin. This is a thick, rich emollient oil. It's giving body serum, and it does a great job of hydrating, soothing, and healing while it works to promote smoothing, toning, and firming the skin. After application, I tend to go ahead and do like my hair, makeup, and other steps in the getting ready process to allow time for the product to fully absorb into the skin prior to getting dressed. I mean, look at my skin. I just went through 45 minutes of makeup. I am still glowing. I feel super hydrated, but my skin does not feel oily, and that for me is a major plus, which means the product is being absorbed into the skin to go to work for you where you need it. This does have a significant fragrance given all of the oils in its proprietary blend. To me, it has a very woodsy floral fragrance. It reminds me of like a cottage garden. And I must say, I enjoy the fragrance very much. Now, this is not a quick fix. For things that really work, you've got to give it some time. You don't get to eat the fruit when you plant the seed. However, with consistent use, it's meant to provide smooth, toned, firm, hydrated, and glowing skin. I've been using it every day for a little over 2 weeks. I'm really enjoying the product. I'm going to continue with use, and I'll definitely keep you updated on my progress. If you're interested in trying Besque Magic Luxury Body Oil, I'll be sure to leave links in the description box below.